Good morning, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I have a wonderful opportunity to share with you that I personally took advantage of, and I want you to see exactly how I did it. Of course, before I do that, anything I do share with you is for information and educational purposes only, so just take a quick second, read over this real quick, and we'll get started. So the opportunity that I personally took, found by this particular setup, is in a company called GE, General Electric. Now, anyone who's been in the market or even exists on the face of this earth knows about GE. I mean, it's probably one of the oldest General Electric, obvious service companies that exist. So when I saw this set up, I was pretty excited about the opportunity to get into it. I said, you know what? This company's been around for a long time. It's clearly a well-traded company. Now, it's not the most exciting to trade. There's not a ton of movement, but I knew I had good probability here. I knew my indicators lined up nicely. I had a really great entry, and it went right where I expected it to. So I took a long entry at 734 back in late October-ish, and I held this for a while, guys. In fact, I didn't buy the stock. I bought a call option about 6 months out. Now, it didn't manifest all 6 months, which is fine, but it did hit my target at $12. At 12.12 to be exact is where the suggested conservative target was, and that was on the monthly time frame. So I bought this call option. I bought it relatively cheap. I think I paid like $1 for it. I mean, it was really inexpensive, maybe $1.20, something like that, and let this thing run its course. And as it did, you can clearly see it did exactly what the indicators expected it to do. You know, we prompted a really nice entry. That entry had given us several days opportunity to get into it at our entry point, or even with a slight amount of price improvement. And then sure enough, guys, it was kind of off to the races through the end of the year. Congested a little bit coming into the new year, and then it popped right up and hit the target. Now, these are the type of trades that I personally like to take. I like to take trades that, in a very passive manner, can produce me a nice return. So from 734 to 12.12, it's a little more than a $4 move. A $4 move on a $7 stock is pretty significant. So if you want to learn more about how you can do this, I encourage you to check us out. Check out the indicators. Check out our staff. Check out our services. You know, this is what we're here to do. We're here to find trades just like this, and give you guys the opportunity not only to know that it's happening, but to take advantage of it and understand how and why, and do it all for yourself. Because that's what we are about. We want you to be entirely successful, you know, with our support helping you. Now, things work out the best for those who make the best out of how things work out. What does that mean? Well, it means exactly what it says. It means that it doesn't matter what happens. Things will work out the best for those people that choose to see it and make it the best. It just kind of is what it is. And I say that not to diminish it, but the reality becomes, if you take every situation and look at the negative, guess what? The situation becomes negative. If you take every situation and look at the positive, guess what? The situation becomes positive. So if you can make things, envision things in the best way possible, well, guess what? You will have the best possible results out of whatever happens. Now listen, sometimes bad things happen and they're out of our control. But with that being said, if we take it as a learning experience, if we take it as I'm not going to make this mistake again, or we take it as I know how to deal with this next time it does happen, guess what? We walked away with experience. We walked away learning something. We walked away a little smarter and a little wiser than we were when we came into the situation. And that's what I wish for you. In your personal life, in your business life, in your investing life, in your trading life, in every aspect of your life. If you can take things and see them for what they are and look for the best in them, the best will come out of it. And it really is that simple. So guys, if you're ready to learn more, I encourage you, there's a link right below this video. Just click on it. It will take you to the Project vSwarm webinar. In this webinar, you will see example after example of how we utilize our proprietary volume-based indicators to take these high probability, low risk trades over and over and over again. If you'd like to learn more about us as a company, of course, you can visit us at Hawkeye Traders. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can email us at team1@Hawkeye Traders, or give us a call, 888-233-8598. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. God bless you all. Stay safe, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care.